back to our English class. This is me again, teacher and your English teacher. And for today, we will be learning about demonstrative pronouns. And we are now in lesson number 4. Lesson number 4, we're going to tackle about demonstrative. Okay. Demonstrative pronouns have 4 forms. We have this, again we have this, we have that, these, and we have those. Alright, so when we say this, meaning it's near, and we are referring to a singular thing, singular noun. Alright, so this, near, and singular. When we say that, it means it's still singular, but it's far, far, far. So we have also this. When we say this, meaning we are referring to plural, plural which is near. But when we say those, we are referring to the things very far from us, and it's plural. Okay, let's have this one. Let's start with this. Again, this, singular, and you are referring to the things near or close to you, near. So, 1, right? Can we count the apple? 1, meaning it's singular. It's near, right? So, when we make a sentence, we will say this. This is an apple. Again, this is an apple. This meaning it's near. We use S because it's singular. This is an apple. This is an apple. Let's have another example. We have book. We have book. Okay, when we count the book, it's only 1. And you are referring to the book which is very close to you or near. So you will say, this is a book. This is a book. Near, singular. We use this. We have also that. Okay? That it's still singular, but you are referring to a things very far from you or far from you, away from you. So that is that. We use that. Again, singular, but it's far from you. Okay, let's have this one. Steal the apple. Can we count the apple? Yes, 1, and it's far. So we will be using that. So we say, that is an apple. That is an apple. Meaning the apple is singular and far away from you. We have also the book. Can we count the book? It's 1. And it's far. So we can say, that is a book. That is a book. Meaning you are pointing or you are referring to the book, singular, and it's far from you. Now let's go to those. Those. Those is plural and far. Again, those, plural and far. Like for example, we are referring to these apples. Apples which is far away from you. So there are 3 apples and far from you. So we will say those. Okay, meaning plural. Those are apples. And of course, you have to put S to the things you are referring to. Alright, because they are plural. Those are apples. How about this one? How many books are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's far from you. So we can say those are books. Those are books. So again, we put S because we are referring to plural books. 2, 4 books. So I'd say those are books. Now the last S we have these. These meaning it's plural and it's near to you. You can touch it, you can hold it, right? So, like for example, how many apples are there? There are 3. And it's near from you. So we say, these are apples. These are apples. Again, we will use S. We add S to our apples because we are referring not only one apple but 3. So we say there are apples. These are apples. How about this one? How many books are there? We have 4 and it's near. So again, we will use the demonstrative pronoun these. These are books. These are books. Again, we add S. Do not forget the S. Okay? Because it's plural. These are verb. These are books. Okay, let's try more. Okay, the first that you have to do is identify first how many things are there. If is it singular or plural. And then decide what demonstrative pronoun are you going to use. If it's near to you or far away from you. So we have 10 seconds to answer. Okay, time's up. Okay, what is your answer? First, we're going to count the flowers. How many flowers are there? We have 4. Is it near or far? Near. So, what demonstrative pronoun are we going to use? Since the flower is 4 and it's near. So we say, these are flowers. These are flowers. Flowers with S. Again, flowers with S. These are flowers. If your answer is these, then you're correct. Now let's go to the second one. Same, you have to identify the thing, how many numbers, and if is it far or near. Okay, timer starts now. Alright, time's up. So what will be the answer? Again, only one, and it's far. So how will you construct a sentence? You will say, that is a table. Again, that is the table. That is a table. You are referring to only one table and it's far from you. So we use that. Next example. Timer starts now. Time's up. So how many oranges are there? Okay, there are 3 and it's far from you. So, what is your sentence? Okay, if your answer is this one, those are oranges. Those are oranges. Then you're correct. You are referring to 3 orange, so you use those and it's far. Those are oranges. Next example. Timer starts now. Time's up. So what will be your answer? Again, let's count the dog. There are 2 dogs and it's near from you. So what will you say, or what is your sentence? These are dogs. These are dogs. These because they are plural and near. And we add S because there are 2 dogs. So these are dogs. Next, timer starts now. Okay, what will be your answer? Okay, 1 butterfly and it's far from you. So, if your sentence is this one, that is a butterfly. That is a butterfly. If your answer is this one, then you got it right. Okay, we have next example. And timer starts now. Okay, what is your answer? Again, let's count the balloon. There are 4 balloons and it's near because you're holding it. So, if your sentence is like this, these are balloons, these are balloons, then you got it right. These are balloons. These, because we're referring to 4 balloons and it's near to you, so we use these. These are balloons. Next example. Timer starts now. Time's up. So what is your answer? Let's count the pencil. We have 1 and it's near because you're holding it. So what will be your sentence? This is a pencil. This is a pencil. If your answer is, or if your sentence is this one, this is a pencil, then you got the correct answer. This, we are referring only 1 pencil and it's near to you. Okay, next example. Timer starts now. So what will be your answer? Again, let's count the dog. There are 2 dogs and it's far from you because you're pointing them. So, if your sentence is like this, those are dogs, those are dogs, then you got the correct answer. Very good. Those are dogs. And this one is your worksheet. Okay, there are 9 items, but 7, 8, and 9, there are 2 answers. So it's 12, right? 12 items. So all you have to do is you have to answer the blank. Okay, you have to write the correct answer on the blanks. You have to write this, that, those, and this, or this, okay? And be sure to write the first letter of this word capital because they are the first word in the sentence. Alright, so the first letter of the word in the sentence should be capital. Alright, so that's it. And for number 7 and number 8, okay, you can choose this, that, these, or those, is a. So what do you call this one? Okay. How about number 8? Okay, same. This is pen, eraser, and we have chairs. Alright, so this is the end of our class for today, and hope you enjoy and you learn something. So take care everyone, and see you in our next video. Bye bye.
I know